Hi, I am Dharmalingam. Here I am going to talk about Income Tax Act. Points of presentation: Introduction, brief history of income tax, heads of income, important terms, income tax rates, exemption and deduction, some useful tips, and conclusion. Introduction: providing healthcare facilities, providing education through government schools where fee is negligible, subsidy of cooking gas, fertilizers and other essential commodities, salaries and pension to local government employees, national security and infrastructure development. Brief history of income tax. In modern India, tax was introduced for the first time in 1860 by Sir James Wilson in order to meet the losses sustained on account of military immunity of 1857. This was the first income tax act of modern India. Subsequently, another income tax act were passed during 1886, 1918 and 1922. Income Tax Act 1922 was the last income tax of British India and remained in force until 1962. Heads of income: income from salary, income from business or profession, income from other sources, income from house property, income from capital gains. Exemptions and deductions. Exemptions: it is the part of income which is not taxable. It is required to deduce before computing gross total income, e.g. CFA at rupees 26,000, MFA rupees 1000 PM. So, in any case, the exemption cannot be more than gross total income. Deduction: amount of expenditure incurred by individual towards specific investment, donation, instrument, etc. These amounts are deducted from gross total income before computing tax liability. List of some deductions are appended at the next page. Conclusion: in the subsequent presentation, various aspects of individual taxation were explained, which may be helpful in dealing with personal tax planning. As explained in the presentation, there are a number of tax saving deductions available which can be utilized to minimize the tax burden. Individuals should be aware about the responsibility towards tax deduction, deposit or filling of ITR, etc. As the case may be, we all should be careful about last date from filling a ITR, even 31 July every year, and also the due date of depositing advance tax if any. Thank you.